In this video, we are going to see how we can find the project location of Eclipse project. Sometimes inside the like Project Explorer or Package Explorer, we don't see all of our projects all together. Like if we upgrade the Eclipse software, then it's difficult to find everything over there. Sometimes it is missing. So let's see how we can find out the projects. So at first we need to open the Finder, and then we have to go to the Macintosh hard disk. So this is the Macintosh hard disk we are seeing. Once we are there, then we'll see this type of like in output, like couple of folders are there. From here we have to access the users folder. I'm going to double click over there, and here I see the list of the users of this Mac. So here I see there are a couple of folders are there, like FewSteps, FS, like this. For this case, I'm using this user FS, so we have to access this folder or this user, and then we'll see all the documents, desktop, downloads, so many folders are there. From here you will find Eclipse dash Workspace, like this. You will find this type of term Eclipse, so that means your Eclipse folder is that one. We have to double click over there to access there, and here you will find all the list of the projects one by one. Right now I have only one project, that's why it is showing only one project. If you have multiple projects, you will see everything is there. And sometimes you may have some folders similar to Eclipse Workspace 1 or Eclipse version number, something like that. That means those are Eclipse projects, and in this way you can easily access all of your old projects or the projects which is not visible from this editor. I mean Eclipse editor, if it is unable to show those things, you will find everything over there. And that's it. In this way we can easily find out the project location of Eclipse projects.